Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're ready to start using Google Lens on iPhone. First, install the Google app or use Google Photos and sign in. Once done, make sure camera and photos access are allowed so Lens can analyze images. Allow microphone only if you'll use voice queries. Now open the Google app and tap the Lens icon in the search bar. If you prefer, add the Lens widget or long press the home icon to speed up access. This gets you straight into live scanning without extra menus. Frame the object clearly and steady the phone. Tap the screen to focus and use pinch to zoom for closer detail, remembering digital zoom lowers quality. Once Lens analyzes the scene, pick a mode, translate, text, search, shopping, or identify by swiping through options. Each mode tailors results and actions. For text capture, tap Select Text, then drag to highlight and choose Copy or Listen. If you already have an image, tap Photos to import, crop the area, and then tap the Action button to get. After Lens returns results, tap the suggested actions to act quickly. Copy text, translate, open a link, add a contact, or compare prices from shopping results. To save findings, use Share or Save to Photos and revisit past scans via Google App History for quick retrieval. If Lens struggles to detect anything, make sure permissions are enabled, clean the camera lens, and move to brighter, steadier lighting. If issues persist, restart the app or reinstall Google to clear cache and restore normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.